Congratulations on the investment into your personal well-being and vitality. Thank you for choosing BEMER. Open up your BEMER set box on a flat and stable surface and remove the B.Pad from the compartment. This is the module for local application therapy. What else you'll find here? The B.Spot, small versatile application module for targeted therapy. The B.Grip, which holds the B.Spot. A fixing strap for the B.Grip. You will also find the power supply and the user manual. This instruction manual belongs to this device. It contains important information for commissioning and handling. Please read the instructions completely after watching this brief introduction. Last but not least, you will find the B.Box Professional, the control device with a multi-touch display, and a wall mount for the B.Box. Now, remove the B.Box, the control device for all application modules. It is recommended to drink a glass of non-carbonated water before and after a BEMER application. Try to avoid clothing that is overly restrictive or uncomfortable, and take yourself away from stress distractions such as phones, television, or loud noises. Find a comfortable, quiet place, and we will begin our first session. To set it up, you will need the power supply and the appropriate cable connection. Start by plugging in the adapter into the bottom of the B.Box. Connect the appropriate power cable into the adapter, then into the ACL. Press the power button in the center of the B.Box. Gently slide the monitor back to stand up and face to the user. To access the basic settings, press the Set button located in the lower right-hand corner of the home screen. To adjust the volume, push the speaker icon. Set the desired volume with the help of the arrow keys. The selection will be acknowledged with a beep in the chosen volume. Press the Save button to save your settings. To adjust the brightness, press the Brightness button located in the middle of the top row of icons. Now set the brightness with the help of the arrow keys. Press the Save button to save the settings. Setting the time. In the Settings menu, locate the time icon in the top row all the way to the right. Now set the current time with the help of the arrow keys. Keep in mind that the standard BEMER North America 24-hour clock is also known as military time. 12 is noon and 24 is midnight. Once the desired time has been selected, press the Save button to save your settings. To remove the plus signal, set up the BEMER session as normal. However, before pressing the Start button, press the button on the bottom of the screen labeled plus. Please note that by default, the plus signal is activated. When the plus signal is removed, note the icon near the top middle of the screen is no longer visible. To reactivate the plus signal, simply press the plus button again. Setting the intensity to high, low as default. The B.Pad can be used for program application and application by basic plan. By default, the B.Pad setting is high. When using the B.Pad for the basic plan, we recommend using the low setting. To adjust the low and high settings of the B.Pad, press the Set button that looks like a cog located on the B.Box main menu. Then, find and press the High-Low button. When pressed, the button switches from high to low and vice versa. That's it. Once you've changed the high-low setting, the B.Pad will default to the new setting selected. To change the high-low setting again in the future, follow the same steps. Unfold the B.Pad in a comfortable area. Please note that both sides are functional. Orient the user's body. Gently connect the applicator cable into either magnetic input A1 or A2. Now the B.Box is booted up, press the purple Intensity button. Start your basic plan as shown in the user manual with Intensity Mode 1. Lay on your back, sit in a chair, or choose any comfortable position that suits you and focus your breathing. press Start to begin. The multifunctional display shows all information you need. Be sure to breathe deeply and evenly. A beep will indicate your session has ended. Thank you for choosing BEMER.